backstroke, breaststroke and fly, would you believe? So he is the ultimate all-round athlete. 6 medals in London. Ievgenii BOGODAIKO's swimming in lane 4. You see his records on screen there. So the lineup is in lane 2, PONCE BERTRAN from Spain, WANG Jingang from China in 2, BOGODAIKO in 4, 3 for WANG. 4 for BOGODAIKO, 5 for GARCIA-TOLSON, BJORNSTAD in 6 from Norway, and SUYASH NARAYAN from Indonesia in 7. Well, it was a great start for the Indonesian in lane 7, would you believe? He's still under the water, breaks water now into the butterfly leg, but it is lane 2 at the moment. Wang Jingang laying down an early challenge. Wang loves the freestyle as well, but very strong butterfly athlete, 25 years of age. He was the bronze medalist in London in the butterfly, so we expect this strong leg from him. But BOGODAIKO is the one who's making the move in the final 15. He'll touch in at the first 50 split, leading the field, not by a huge margin though. Swimming on his left shoulder was GARCIA-TOLSON from the United States. Had a very tidy butterfly leg there. So 1, 2 and 3 is BOGODAIKO, Wang and GARCIA-TOLSON heading into the backstroke. And rounding out the field, Taras Sinovic. So the 5 swimmers. So rounding out the field was BJORNSTAD, SUYASH NARAYAN and PONCE BERTRAN, touched in 6 as we go into the 100-metre mark. And again, GARCIA-TOLSON made a nice move in that in the 50 back, a strong backstroke leg from him.
Yeah, GARCIA-TOLSON, the other thing about GARCIA-TOLSON is just the amount of energy he has, the aerobic capabilities that he has. Bear in mind, he's a multiple medalist at the World Championships for both swimming and athletics. He's an all-round para-athlete, is GARCIA-TOLSON, in every conceivable way. BOGODAIKO, yes, is the defending champion, but GARCIA-TOLSON, bear in mind, had won gold in 2004, gold in 2008. Remember when he won his first World Championship title as far back as 10 years ago in Durban at the 2006. I mean, he's somebody who's been for a dozen years dominating this event. BOGODAIKO is the emerging talent, so to speak. Over the last 4 years he's come into his own, but in the last 50 it'll be a shootout between these two to see who claims the victory between the two who must be gold medal favorites for the final. Don't discount Serrano, of course, who claimed the opening heat victory, but indeed GARCIA-TOLSON and BOGODAIKO are the class acts when it comes to this event.
Well, certainly it is setting the scene for a very, very interesting final later on day 6. But at the moment it will be GARCIA-TOLSON who will touch in first in this qualifying heat in a very respectable time, well off record pace, but will touch in at 2:43.26. And BOGODAIKO, the reigning champion, Paralympic champion, second in 2:44.89. Wang Jingang had a great swim, 2:49.56, followed by BJORNSTAD 2:50.76, and PONCE BERTRAN not far off, 2:56.60, and the Indonesian swimmer SUYASH NARAYAN rounding out the field at 3:01.05. So GARCIA-TOLSON showing he's still in the hunt for a medal in the men's 200 metres individual medley, SM7. It's a strong butterfly leg. There wasn't a lot separating the top 3 swimmers. The backstroke proved a little more telling.
It did indeed, but I think the other thing is GARCIA-TOLSON has the better turn. He might not always have the better speed in the water, but GARCIA-TOLSON, what does he always say? A brave heart is a powerful weapon, and he continues to show it a dozen years